Rita, Chief Constable of West Midlands Police, please get your checkbook ready because the claim is coming. Remember that. So, the evidence against me was that on my live stream, I did a live stream on the protest for the 10th of March. I was live on TikTok. On that live stream, somebody is heard making awful gestures towards a police officer.
I see. And
I condemn them, but when the officer or a member of the police force, first of all, they never had the witness statement from an officer at the time when I got arrested.
So that wasn't you. That wasn't you.
Of course, it wasn't me. The arrest was unlawful.
Quick update. In the previous video on this, we mentioned the West Midlands police statement of alleging that they arrested this lawyer, Mr. Yakoob, on suspicion of racial abuse towards an officer. It's now turned out that PC Plod have arrested the wrong guy. They arrested this lawyer wrongly. He has nothing to do with the racial comments that were heard on the live streamed video. So West Midlands police incompetence has just opened them up to a massive lawsuit. Taxpayers' money will be used on yet another compensation payout by the police. That's my opinion here. As for the compensation payout, I think it could be quite a big payout, given that this guy, this lawyer, he seems quite affluent. He's got a public persona, and he possibly owns his own practice, his law firm, as well as being an aspiring politician. So there's a great deal of reputational damage here at stake. Not only this, his lawyers will highlight incorrect police procedures vis-a-vis Mr. Yakoob and his arrest, suggesting malicious motivations or dark hands or dark agendas behind the scenes.
I understand what you're saying.
So higher powers are involved. This is what you need to be this is what you need to understand. Higher powers are involved here, and I will get to the bottom of it. I'm a lawyer. I ain't dealing with someone off the street here.
So what does this all mean? It could mean that his compensation payout could be in excess of £50,000. Who knows? Even 100 grand. We just don't know. But one thing I can tell you is it's going to be a massive amount of money for one live streamed event.